Do you often feel fatigued, have low concentration, irritability, or depression? Do you notice your memory isn't as sharp, your muscles are shrinking, and your libido has dropped compared to how it used to be? These could be signs that your testosterone levels are low. In this video, we'll discuss the symptoms of low testosterone, including subtle ones that can help you catch it early. You'll also learn why testosterone is declining globally, the dangers of low testosterone, and at the end, I'll share 6 natural tips to increase your testosterone levels. Before we dive in, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel to receive health tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. It's important to share this knowledge with friends and family. Health is worth spreading, so share it. Let me know, do you think your testosterone is low? Or are you certain? Where are you from? Leave a comment below. Can low testosterone occur at any age? Low testosterone symptoms can appear at any age, even in teens and young adults, not just in older men. And the worrying thing is, testosterone levels have been declining among men globally. A study of over 100,000 Israeli men between 2006 and 2019 shows a sharp decline in testosterone levels. In 2006, a man in his 20s had a peak testosterone level that was higher than the average level of a 60-year-old today. Why is low testosterone a concern? Testosterone is the primary male hormone, responsible for developing masculine traits like deep voice, body hair, muscle strength, and bone density. It also plays a key role in sexual function, including libido and sperm production. Testosterone declines with age, starting at around 40, at a rate of 1 to 2% per year. But the recent decline across all age groups is alarming. What is considered low testosterone? According to the American Urology Association, a testosterone level below 300/DL in adults is considered low. Symptoms to watch for include low libido, loss of sexual desire, even in young men, erectile dysfunction, difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection, or lack of morning erections, hair loss, thinning body hair, slower beard growth and loss of hair on legs or underarms, fatigue, feeling tired despite adequate sleep, hot flashes, sudden warmth, sweating and skin redness, similar to menopausal symptoms in women, muscle mass loss, inability to gain muscle despite exercising, or muscle loss over time, increased body fat, particularly around the belly and possibly gynecomastia, breast tissue growth, mood changes, anxiety, depression, irritability, and mood swings, memory issues, difficulty concentrating or remembering things, bone loss, increased risk of osteoporosis and fractures, smaller testicles, soft, shrinking testicles, and reduced penis size, infertility, low sperm count or azoospermia, which can affect fertility. What's causing the decline in testosterone? There are several factors at play. Endocrine disruptors. These are chemicals found in pesticides, polluted air, food packaging, and even receipts. They disrupt hormonal balance. A recent study in the US found high levels of BPA, an endocrine disruptor, in popular workout clothing brands. Gut dysbiosis. Modern diets, antibiotics, and processed foods harm gut bacteria, which are crucial for testosterone production. Studies on rats have shown that certain gut bacteria, like Lactobacillus reuteri, boost testosterone and support overall health. Unhealthy lifestyles, sedentary behavior, obesity, poor sleep, and diabetes all negatively affect testosterone. How to boost testosterone naturally? Here are 6 tips to help increase testosterone levels. Maintain a healthy weight. Belly fat, in particular, increases an enzyme called aromatase, which converts testosterone to estrogen, leading to further fat accumulation in areas typical for women, like hips and thighs. Prevent diabetes. Obesity and diabetes are strongly linked to low testosterone. A study found that 30% of overweight men and 25% of diabetic men had low testosterone. Exercise regularly. Resistance training, especially weightlifting, is the most effective way to boost testosterone. Even aerobic exercise can help, as studies show that active men are less likely to have low testosterone. Get enough sleep. Most testosterone is produced during deep REM sleep. Poor sleep can significantly lower your testosterone levels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Limit alcohol. Alcohol, especially in excess, raises estrogen levels and lowers testosterone. It also increases cortisol, which further depletes testosterone. Manage stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which destroys testosterone. A more confident mindset, such as practicing power poses, may help boost testosterone levels. Additionally, eating a healthy diet rich in certain foods can support testosterone production. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, rich in zinc and vitamin D, are excellent for hormone health. Avocados, rich in healthy fats and boron, also support testosterone. Dark leafy greens are loaded with magnesium, which boosts testosterone, while fruits like pomegranates have been shown to protect testosterone-producing cells. Should you consider testosterone replacement therapy? Talk to your doctor about whether testosterone replacement is right for you. While it may help with low levels, it's not always the first solution. Addressing the root cause, whether it's weight gain, stress, poor sleep, or underlying health issues, can often restore testosterone levels naturally. In some cases, supplements like probiotics, lactobacillus reuteri, or herbal remedies, tribulus, maca root can help. Testosterone replacement therapy comes with risks, including worsening sleep apnea, acne, breast tissue growth, gynecomastia, hair loss, benign prostatic hyperplasia, prostate enlargement, increased risk of blood clots and cardiovascular issues. Take action to improve your lifestyle and discuss the options with your doctor. Testosterone plays a crucial role in men's health, but so do healthy habits and environmental awareness. Avoid plastics, BPA, and processed foods as much as possible, and focus on building a healthier life overall.